The industrial gasket market isn't dominated by a single giant. It's a game of specialized expertise and broad competition. Parker-Hannifin Corporation leads the market with a 4% share, while Klinger follows at 3%. WL Gore and Associates, Trelleborg AB, and Flexitalent LP each holds around 2%. That means the top 5 companies together account for just 13% of the global market, leaving a remarkable 87% in the hands of numerous regional manufacturers and niche suppliers. This highly fragmented landscape rewards innovation, material performance, and application-specific solutions as industries continue to demand more reliable sealing technologies for critical operations across energy, chemicals, manufacturing, and infrastructure. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.